My name is Justin. This is Charisma Eats. Here we go. So there are a few places that are local legends in this area. And this one place in particular, Piero's Pizza. I think I'm saying it wrong. It's Pietro's Pizza. They've been around since 1978, moving around Wilmington and down through Newark area of Delaware. They have opened another restaurant, and it's been there for a little while now, but it's called Argilla. And they make their own dough. They make their own beer there. They even literally can it there at the, I'm not gonna, Happy Juice. But we're also gonna try their pizza. I have 3 slices here. I have their cheese. Oh, look at the dough falling off of that. Oh, the dough feels nice. We've got the classic pepperoni. Oh yeah, oh, nice. And then this is their #1 selling pizza here. It's got hot peppers and shooter peppers. It's called a pepperoni. I think it's called a pepperoni popper. Oh yeah, my mouth is just watering. I can't wait to try all these. All right, so I don't like to eat alone, so I brought a friend with me, and yeah, that's right. I brought my pal Blue Nose to eat some za with me. Which one should we start with? Yeah, I think so too. Let's go for it. All right, so let's start with the cheese so we can taste the dough. I love, he actually takes the dough and throws it up and spins it around. There's a little bit of, look at that, you can see. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's happy magic powder, that. All right, smells really good. I'm gonna take a, oh yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna take a bite first, or should I? Okay, I'll take a bite first. Oh, so. Okay, that's good. The dough is so chewy, but it's not overly chewy. Oh, the sauce. Yeah, the sauce, that's what makes a good pizza to me, is the sauce, the dough. Well, listen to that. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's not too crunchy. It's not just falling apart either. The cheese, that's nice, that's tasty. Wanna take a bite? Go ahead, man. Pretty good, huh? Yeah, I know. All right, let's see, we'll take a, I grew up in New Jersey, so there's a lot of pizza places there. Everybody always claims to have the best pizza, but all right. Let's try the crust. See it? Oh yeah. Nice. All right, ready? I agree. You know what's interesting about this place? Even though they branched out and father and son worked together to create what they call a nano brewery, which is interesting. It's actually a brewery right here inside their kitchen. It's amazing, or beside their kitchen. But they came together to create one like business, and they did not skimp on the quality doing that. That's tasty. You want this last piece? All right, here, that's for you. So what do you say? Should we try the pepperoni one next? All right, cool, let's do it. Let's grab that pepperoni. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, and it's not falling off. There's no grease or anything dripping. Oh yeah. Oh, look at it glisten. Nice. Okay. Here, we take the first bite. Oh man, that was a really big bite. All right, I'm gonna do the fold over method myself. Oh, listen to that. Oh, it's happy. right, let's see. It's hard to even put it in words. Seriously. Pepperoni. It's so fresh and so flavorful and so delicious. Oh, it's not overly salty. I don't know how, but it's not overly oily or greasy. I'm guessing it's because the pepperonis are not old and haven't just been sitting around. This is like fresh pepperoni action there. Fresh pepper. Come on, Blue Nose. All right, fine. Here. Oh man, you can take a monster bite out of pizza. All right, I'll take a big bite too. Oh, so good. Okay. What is that? I have a flavor pocket of something. Whatever's in that sauce. Fantastic sauce. Okay. Well, I'm gonna edit this part out for the younger ones, but I do want to try their homemade juice. So let's see. Oh, look at that! And they freshly canned this, literally, while we were waiting for it. They literally were putting it in the cans as we wait. Let's see. I don't know what this one's called. Every triangle has 3 sides. It's a triple IPA. 9.2. This part's not for you. All right, here we go. Wow. Okay. I don't even know where to even begin with that. That's got so much flavor in it. It's like a super summertime beer. I can literally imagine just sitting back at the beach, but on the boardwalk, more specifically, not just sitting at the beach, but actually being on the boardwalk and drinking that while watching like the sun go down. That's actually really, really, really good. That's really good. All right, now that we washed down some of the pizza, we're gonna try this last piece here, which is, this is their highest selling pizza. Of course, that cheese and that delicious sauce. I'll eat this one. I know you don't like heat. Whoa. Okay. Yep. I can see why this pizza is rated one of the highest on Yelp right now. Wow. Nah, man. Nah, dog. Not right now. Nope. Nah, you can't have none of that. Not for me. All right, man. Here, we finished that up. What do you think? Oh. Uh-oh. You all right, man? Chill out while you hopping all over the place. Ain't that hot. This is definitely my favorite because it is so flavorful and it's not overly hot. They like balance the heat, and then just somehow it's a sweet pepper. It's not. That's what that is. A sweet pepper. It's sweet pepper, banana pepper, pepperoni, the sweetness of their sauce, which is not like crazy sweet. This is a delicious slice of pizza. That was good. So what do you think? How do you feel about the cheese pizza first? All right, yeah, I agree with that. The cheese pizza is, you know, an original slice of pizza. Most kids don't like anything but cheese pizza. And I think that any kid going to that restaurant, which there were actually a lot of kids there, would love that pizza. That is delicious, completely worth it. Pepperoni pizza, what do you think? Definitely going to give it this many stars. Yeah, I know, right? It's pretty cool how I did that. Remember how juicy it looked and how, oh man, and the cheese was just holding on to it perfectly and it wasn't like dripping all over the place. It had a lot of really good flavor too. It's obvious that their pepperoni is not old, nor is their cheese. It's almost like it's freshly grated. And I don't know if it's like every day or whatever. I'm not sure, but it is good. That's definitely the best pepperoni pizza I've ever had. What about you? Blue Nose. Oh. All right. Okay, well, Blue Nose went to go get more pizza. For me personally, the last slice of pizza was my absolute favorite. I love the heat. I love the sweet, the crunch, the chewiness of the dough, the cheese. If you want to check out Art Gill Wing Company, is what they call themselves at Pietro's Pizza. I can't believe pizza can taste that good. It is hands down the best pizza I have ever put in my face, which is really weird to say. At 30-something years old and eating pizza for forever, living in New Jersey, best pizza I've ever had. 10 out of 10 all day long, and I give it this many stars. They're located at 2667 Kirkwood Highway in Newark, Delaware, 19711. Oh, so good. Well, thanks for joining me on this one. See you on the next one. Peace, we're out.